Hi folks, Lamar Davis over here at Country Chevrolet in Benton, Kentucky, and what I have for you now is a certified 2017 Chevy Impala Premier with 51,000 miles, and this little beauty has been very well maintained. Features keyless entry with remote start, power windows and locks. It even has the blue velvet metallic paint on the outside that's gorgeous. Heated perforated leather seating. Dual climate controls, MyLink radio with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, forward collision, blind spot warning, lane departure, now this little beauty also features a fuel efficient 3.6 liter V6 in a full-size vehicle that's going to get you 30 miles to the gallon on the highway. Plenty of power to get you up and going, but one that's not going to drain the gas tank. So come on down to Country Chevrolet in Benton, Kentucky, folks, or call us 270-527-8671. Come check out this beautiful Chevy Impala today.